I never wanted to be an actor. I never planned to be an actor. It just happened accidentally, you can say. जो life आपको privilege देती है, I think any godfather or a family background cannot give you that. I got a message from him on WhatsApp that, hi, this is Amir Khan and I loved your work in Jantara and I want to talk. तो मुझे सच में ही लगा कि कोई मेरा दोस्त है जो इज ट्राइंग टू स्कैम मी. मुझे लगा कि कभी भी किसी भी बड़े स्टार को जब मैं देखूंगा ना तो मेरी हालत खराब नहीं होगी और मैं कोई स्टार स्ट्रक नहीं होऊंगा. बट वो मेरा सबसे बड़ा भ्रम टूटा उस दिन. आई वाज शिवरिंग. एक्टिंग इज माय वाइफ एंड म्यूजिक इज माय एक्सटर्नल अफेयर. लापता gave us a lot of pata in the Bombay.
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Chalo Sparsh, I hope third time lucky. So, Ji Hazuri, आप कह रहे थे कि आप you're in that Ji Hazuri phase as of now. I thought ये phase तो Ji Hazuri का होना भी नहीं चाहिए आपके लिए.
नहीं मैम, I think I'm not trying to give any intelligent answer, but बिकॉज इतने समय बाद ऑडियंस का प्यार मिला है ना तो फिर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लगती है टू बी केटरिंग टू दी ऑडियंस और फिर ऑडियंस की जी हुजूरी करने वाला समय है. तो आई थिंक राइट नाउ आई एम इन दैट फेज. तो अभी मैं ऑडियंस की जी हुजूरी कर रहा हूँ.
We'll talk about your films later. First, now we are going to talk about your audience that listens to your music. You have been making music, Pehle.
Yeah.
I absolutely loved your drag bit in Dopaya. And but tell me about the song that you're all set to launch, and singing is your passion. But मेरे को पहले गाने के बारे में बताइए. What is this song about, and are you planning to launch a proper album sometime soon and get into music in a big way?
Before that, I think I should give you a little gist of the backstory that I've had with music. And it goes like कि मैं 2017 में बॉम्बे आया था. And being an actor, it's a chaotic world. मतलब you have to give a lot of auditions, go through a lot of rejections. And that in that phase when I was auditioning and getting rejected from a lot of places, music came to me as a sort of stress buster, a relief in that chaos. तो मैंने फिर उसके थ्रू गाने लिखना स्टार्ट किया 2017 में. और मैंने जो पहला गाना लिखा था इट वाज टाइटल्ड एज कुड़िए तू खिल्लर. जो मैंने लॉन्च नहीं किया. बट वहां से म्यूजिक की जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई और फिर मैंने एक एनडी स्टूडियो है, नितिन देसाई सर जो है उनका स्टूडियो था. तो मैंने उनके लिए कुछ ब्रॉडवे के लिए गाने लिखना स्टार्ट किया. आई गॉट अलाइंड विद अ प्लेस कॉल्ड एस रॉक्स हु मेक म्यूजिक फॉर ऑल द रियलिटी शोज एंड ऑल इन द इंडस्ट्री. तो उन्होंने मेरा पहला म्यूजिक प्रोग्राम किया. तो फिर वो 5 साल की जर्नी में मैंने काफी गाने लिखे. एंड आई थिंक बहुत से गाने मैंने इसलिए लिखे बिकॉज आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट वायरल एंड गो ऑन द स्टेज एंड स्टार्ट परफॉर्मिंग. बट इट डिड नॉट वर्क बिकॉज वो इट वॉज नॉट कमिंग फ्रॉम द हार्ट. बट वो 5 साल की जर्नी में आई लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट म्यूजिक, हाउ टू राइट मैच्योरली और किस तरह के शब्दों में, कम शब्दों में ज्यादा बातें कहनी चाहिए. तो फिर वो धीरे धीरे रिफाइन होता गया. एंड नाउ आफ्टर 5 years ऑफ दैट जर्नी आई फील कॉन्फिडेंट कि यार नाउ आई एम रेडी टू पुट माई म्यूजिक आउट एंड टेल द वर्ल्ड जो मैं अभी तक छुपा रहा था. So yeah, Ji Huzur is one of the tracks, but definitely we'll be coming up with more tracks. Not an album, but constant, मतलब consistency रहेगी. We'll keep uploading tracks. I have a lot of bank ready.
But you have had a very interesting journey, I must say, from Agra to Mumbai. It's very interesting. You've been working since you were 11 years old.
Yeah.
As a child star, then a male lead.
Yeah.
How has it really been? Because वो सब कहते हैं that ticket to Mumbai सबको चाहिए होती है, मगर बहुत struggle भी आता है, but बहुत थोड़े लोग होते हैं who sometimes just click. But it's all about luck and timing also.
What I would say to that is, I mean, it started from actually Delhi. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक नोएडा एक्सपो सेंटर है जहाँ पे मैंने उस डांस रियलिटी शो का चक दुम दुम जो मैंने अपनी 11 साल की उम्र में किया था उसका ऑडिशन दिया था. एंड देन इट स्टार्टेड माय टिकट टू मुंबई. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम दिल्ली. And then after that I did a few serials. But I think ma'am, it's about that consistency and not getting bored and always being curious also. तो मेरा वो curiosity कभी खत्म नहीं हुआ. In fact my love for acting kept growing. I never wanted to be an actor. I never planned to be an actor. It just happened accidentally, you can say. But that love kept growing और मैं कभी बोर नहीं हुआ. The struggle never felt like struggling. So I think that is something that clicked for me and worked for me. जिसकी वजह से मैं कंटिन्यू अपने काम को फोकस करता गया और बेहतर बनाता गया. एंड देन टुडे You can call me a lead male.
No, absolutely. And also, that's what I said. The thing is somebody who, without just, I'm not getting into the outsider insider debate. It's just
Yeah.
some have the privilege card, some are backed by a surname, some are backed by some supporter. But for you, it's you are a self-made person on your own.
But
How?
I would call it a privilege, मैम, because मैं बहुत ही यंग एज में आ गया था बॉम्बे.
हाँ,
एंड जिस तरह के बॉम्बे को और इंडस्ट्री को मैंने समझा है, क्योंकि मेरे को काफी समय मिला. क्योंकि एक लीड मेल बनने की एक एज होती है, एक उम्र होती है. यू कैन ओनली बी दैट पोस्ट योर 25 और 26. बट उससे पहले की जो लर्निंग्स मेरे पास रही हैं, आई वुड कॉल इट अ प्रिविलेज. और वो जो लाइफ आपको प्रिविलेज देती है, आई थिंक एनी गॉडफादर और फैमिली बैकग्राउंड कैन नॉट गिव यू दैट.
and also acceptance that you have got, which also, I mean, Godfather family names, everyone strives for that acceptance, as you've said. But which is the सबसे बड़ी learning क्या थी? जैसे, from that little boy who was at the Noida Expo, then came to Bombay, then did Jamtara, and then I would say went viral with Lapata Ladies. What has it been like? And what is the biggest learning? I mean, biggest learning.
I think the biggest learning that I take and keep with myself is to be honest and being curious, to learn more, to become better. I think that's the only learning I keep with myself. And I think that's what pushes me ahead.
सबसे बड़ा मिथ क्या था जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का जो भ्रम सब लेकर आते हैं, जो आपका वो भ्रम डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ कि ये ऐसा नहीं है?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा कोई भ्रम कभी रहा ही नहीं मुझे. आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु लिव्स इन डिल्यूजन्स. बट मुझे ऐसा, मेरा कोई भी ऐसा भ्रम अभी तक तो नहीं टूटा है. ना होप कुछ भी ऐसा हो भी ना. या.
Well, that is interesting. And also, you had mentioned that after Jamtara, you played a scam artist in it, but you got scammed when you got a call from Amir Khan. But very interesting. Not everyone gets calls like that because there are a lot of people striving. From there to now, how has it been like? And you were scammed. If you can tell us about it, you actually asked him to come on video call so that you could see if it was the Amir Khan.
Yeah, that actually happened. I mean, I got a message from him on WhatsApp that, hi, this is Amir Khan and I loved your work in Jamtara and I want to talk. तो मुझे सच में ही लगा कि कोई मेरा दोस्त है जो, he's trying to scam me. But then he actually came on the video call. और तब मेरा भ्रम टूटा. I tell you, मेरा भ्रम क्या टूटा. मुझे लगा कि कभी भी किसी भी बड़े स्टार को जब मैं देखूंगा ना, तो मेरी हालत खराब नहीं होगी और मैं कोई स्टार स्ट्रक नहीं होऊंगा. बट वो मेरा सबसे बड़ा भ्रम टूटा उस दिन. आई वाज शिवरिंग और आई वाज फंबलिंग व्हेन आई वाज टॉकिंग टू हिम. तो वो मेरा एक भ्रम बहुत बड़ा टूटा था उस दिन.
And how has life changed? Do you think, yeah, as you said, you love going for auditions,
Yeah.
not a trained actor. You
I'm
are
not.
I would say you're a self-trained actor. You keep evolving with every project.
Yes.
I would put that way. So basically, for somebody who loves doing audition, but do you think Lapata Ladies, I mean, the kind of love that film got was the game changer for you?
Absolutely. I think no doubt to that. क्योंकि उससे पहले जामतारा आया था. जामतारा वाज हाईली अप्रिशिएटेड इन द इंडस्ट्री. बहुत लोगों ने शायद नहीं देखा था, बट इंडस्ट्री गॉट टू नो दैट दिस गाय कैन वर्क. बट द टाइप ऑफ लव दैट एवरी एक्टर क्रेव्स फॉर, वो चाहता है ऑडियंस की ताली बजे, ऑडियंस उसका नाम ले, एंड यू वांट दैट लव टू हैपन टू यू. वो तो लापता लेडीज के बाद ही स्टार्ट हुआ है, स्पेशली आफ्टर दैट क्रेजी सीन फ्रॉम द फिल्म वेयर आई प्रपोज माय वाइफ एंड दैट आई लव यू सीन.
True.
So yeah, definitely I think Lapata Ladies gave me what I was looking for.
Now you don't feel like Lapata in Mumbai at all.
Not at all. Lapata gave us a lot of pata in the Bombay.
That's the way it should be. So balancing, now you're singing. That added, it's actually very good because back in the day, actors used to sing also, but aajkal hi wo, the playbacks came and you don't come across singing actors. Do you plan to like work on it extensively and use this also in your work going forward?
As I said, I always do it. Like I've always been doing it. तो मेरी एक आदत है, जब क्योंकि I don't have a process of acting, I don't come from any acting school. So whenever I'm doing a character, be it Sunny from Jamtara or Deepak from Lapata Ladies or Bhugol from Dupaiya, I always write a song around it. मैं अपने किरदार के इर्द गिर्द और उस शो के बारे में एक गाना लिखता हूँ, एक 3-4 मिनट का. तो मुझे बेहतर तरीके से समझ आता है, मुझे गहराइयों में उसकी जाने का मौका मिलता है. there's a better understanding when you write a personal track to it. So that's what I do always. But now I think I'll make you hear some of the tracks also.
I'm looking forward to that, but that's very interesting when you're writing about, maybe that also gives you an insight into your character. And
Yeah,
maybe
inside the brain of my character, actually. Like, what's the psyche of the character would be. I choose those words.
who's the character of yours that you're closest to?
Ooh. I think I'm yet to play that.
Ah, so this is what I want to ask you. What next? Now we have seen you in Jamtara, which was 2 seasons.
Yeah.
Dupatta, we saw you in Lapata Ladies. Now, as you said, Mumbai में लापता नहीं हो, सबको पता चल गया है. I mean, now how have the offers changed, and what are you personally looking forward to? Do you think you are a little spoiled for choice?
Uh, no, actually, yeah, definitely I've become a little picky about what to do and what not to do, which is tough sometimes. But I would love to do, you know, a great rom-com, like a good romantic comedy.
हमारे
But we don't have a good rom-com going on right now. I think we don't have a right
या
script in the industry right now. But I think I'm waiting for that right script to happen to me, and then maybe your perspective will change about it.
No, exactly, because I love rom-coms. And this is what I want to ask you, because the industry is going through a churn of sorts. There
Yeah.
is a creativity, you could say a stagnation. What do you think is the need of the hour for someone who's a young artist who's just like starting off here? What do you think is the need of the day for someone who's a fan of the films also himself?
I think I don't know if I've get your question right, but what I'm answering is that we need to give more time to the writers. We should give more time to the writers and be patient with that. And I think if we do that, definitely we'll get some nice stories. Because a lot of narrations I have, they have some good stories going on. I mean, the new talent have some really nice thing to say. So, but yeah, but if you give right time to the writers, we'll be safe.
Because everyone looks at it as a project, not as something that you're making as a project. That's the whole thing. And also, I totally get that. So, what can we look forward to apart from Ji Hazur? What songs can we expect? Where do we go from here on the musical aspect, and in the film aspect? What can we see?
There's a word to, like, I was thinking, how do I describe myself in one word? And I landed up on the word called versatility. Because the type of characters I've done in the past, they're so different from each other. Similarly, in my music, my taste is like that. I have a versatile taste. I write versatile. मतलब मैं बहुत ही different लिखता हूँ. So Ji Huzur is very much in the space of like a dancey poppy number, and then the next track is planned, which is in a little soft romantic, a right song before you go to the bed, sort of a song. And then after that, we have some dance numbers. So yeah, you have a lot coming up.
Who's been your musical inspiration, if I may ask?
My musical inspiration. I don't know how will it sound to you, but Honey Singh have really inspired me long back.
No, it's
I
fine.
was really inspired by Honey Singh, Atif Aslam. But then when I started, because back then I was just hearing the track, but now when I understand the music, there's a musician called Yani,
Yeah.
Yani. I hear his tracks and a lot of Indian classical, just the music. मुझे वो बहुत पसंद है. There's this new artist called Keetan. I think everyone inspires you in the some way.
Absolutely. I'm a huge fan of Atif Aslam also, and I love Honey Singh's Angrezi Beat with Gippy Garewal. So, I mean,
Yeah.
whatever sails your boat, yeah. I mean, and as a musician, in one word, describe yourself, and as an actor, in one word, describe yourself. I know you said versatile is for you as a
As a
creative,
whole.
as a whole. But
Yeah.
if I was to ask you one word that defines you as a musician and one word that defines you as an actor,
Can we do it ulta?
huh?
Instead of music and acting defining me, can I define music and acting for me?
Of course.
So there's a quick quirky line coming up. So I would say music is my wife, and then acting is my wife, and music is my external affair.
अरे वाह, अब इसमें तो
And I love both. You can't ask me who do you love most. I love both of them equally.
पति पत्नी और वो के
पति
sequel के
पत्नी
लिए
और वो
वो हाँ पति पत्नी और वो उसके सीक्वल के लिए आई थिंक स्पर्श को ही लेना चाहिए बट स्पर्श लवली chatting with you and looking
Thank you.
forward to what can we expect next on the film space. What's your next work?
Can't really disclose much, but a lot of exciting films are coming up. I'm working on that. It's in process, but can't really explain much to it.
So at the moment we will listen to your track and all
Please
the
do.
best. Lovely chatting with you. Take care.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye-bye.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.